The final hearing in disqualification case of Manipur Forest and Environment Minister JAYANTAKUMAR was held today in the Manipur Legislative Speakers Tribunal, which reserved its judgment in the case. Manipur Art and Culture Minister JAYANTAKUMAR today laid the foundation stone of a cultural and heritage complex at Ringui village of UKHRUL district. As a part of the function, State Health Society Manipur and Directorate of Ayush Lamphel conducted a one-day Ayush free health camp cum awareness program. Kerala reported a third case of the novel coronavirus and declared the outbreak as a state calamity. The central government set up a group of ministers to monitor measures taken across the country to prevent the virus from spreading further, according to a media report. A one-day sensitization and awareness program on coronavirus was held today at the LANGJING CRPF camp, Imphal. The program was organized by CRPF Composite Hospital under the aegis of IGP Manipur and Nagaland sector. A 39-year-old man in Hong Kong who was being treated for the novel coronavirus has died. According to media reports, the first fatality connected to the illness in the financial hub and only the second outside of mainland China. A spokesman for the hospital authority said the victim was a resident of Hong Kong who traveled to Chinese city of Wuhan, the epicenter of the outbreak, on January 21st and who returned to the financial hub 2 days later. Lok Sabha was today adjourned till noon after opposition members continued their protest against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Act and the National Register of Citizens. According to sources, Union Minister Nityanand Rai today told Lok Sabha that the government has not taken any decision on implementing NRC at the national level till now. The Seattle City Council, one of the most powerful city councils in the US, yesterday unanimously passed a resolution condemning India's recently enacted Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) and the National Register of Citizens (NRC), reaffirming Seattle as a welcoming city and expressing solidarity with the city's South Asian community regardless of religion and caste. The resolution resolved that the Seattle City Council opposes the National Register of Citizens and Citizenship Amendment Act in India and finds these policies to be discriminatory to Muslims, oppressed castes, women, indigenous and LGBT people. A team of Imphal East Narcotic Police arrested a man along with 100 pieces of WY tablet and 143 pieces of SP capsule during operation at Khergaon, Imphal East yesterday. The arrested has been identified as 33-year-old Muhammad Amuthoy, son of Muhammad Anamuddin of Khergaon, Sabha. Nambol Isok Maning Chingya Lekai residents along with local Meira Paibi and other organizations have decided to ostracize 38-year-old Akham Achoba, son of A. Mobi of Isok Maning Chingya, from the locality on charges of beating up his parents and his pregnant wife at their home. A one-day workshop on gender sensitization for higher and technical educational institutes was held today at Indira Gandhi National Tribal Institute, Library Hall, Makhan Village today. Department of Social Work of IGNTU, Makhan Village, in association with Manipur State Women Commission for Women, organized a workshop. Australia suspended Parliament today to honour the victims of national bushfire crisis that has killed 33 people, as more than 100 fires remain ablaze across the country's east coast. According to media reports, Prime Minister Scott Morrison, who has received public criticism for his handling of the crisis, led a tribute as legislatures returned to Parliament for the first time after the long summer break.